Alright, we got some Black Friday and holiday deals. Buy one, get one free. These are the new deals that are dropping. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more review videos so you guys won't miss any of the Black Friday deals coming up. Alright, talking about some deals. This is the 3-piece tower rolling storage for $219. Down from $299. That is a killer deal, but there's another deal on top of this one. I don't know if there's going to overstack or not, but um, I'll let you guys be the judge to that. But those are the regular prices, $89 for the medium. Another good one is this is $149 down from $199. This is a trade stack. And then here's another section of this, but they got the buy more, save more for the cobalts. So you spend 198, you save 20. Spend 268, you save 50. Spend 269 or more, you save 75. That's a really good deal. These deals just barely dropped, and they're good until next year. So that tells you that these are the holiday deals. These are going to be the Black Fridays and the holidays, 2023. And as you guys do see, you guys get just that $34 and get that $50 off on that one. So that's pretty good. Basically, get that for free and plus a discount. So and then you got that organizer for $9 if you need to add some more. Got a handset, $62, and then this is a screwdriver, 9-in-1s for $767. This is a clearance. All right, some new lower prices here, and you guys know that the gift center stuff is rolling in, so these are gonna be lowering in prices. So $14 for that. This is on clearance for $15.98. I would remember because I do need one of these, but I did forget to get it. I might pick it up next time because that's a really good deal on that one. Same thing with this one. This one's a different style. It's a 4-pound. This one's 1918, down from 23. Save yourself a few bucks. You got a fire resistant welder rag, 957. You got a Sentry FC90 welder, 195, down from 279. To flux core wire weld. And then you got this one. This one's 174, down from 249. It's a Lincoln welder kit. You got the buy one get one free. So this is the 4 amp hour battery starter kit. Get a free bare tool. This one runs down to January 3rd, 2024. So that tells you that these are the holiday. These are the Black Friday deals. Your choices here: Craftsman V20 combo kits, 4 amp hour battery for free. So you can select from those combo kits and get a free battery. And again, this one's until the November the 1st. So that one's already going to expire this month. So that was the older one. But check this out, guys. We got a Power Detect 2 combo kit XR Power Detect buzzers combo kit. Get a free Power Detect bare tool. This one runs down to January the 3rd as well. So that's a really good deal on that one. And later on, we're going to see the images. This is just like a teaser. They just have those. They probably shouldn't even posted that one yet. And they just posted it in the Craftsman section. So that one's just like a leak if you want to look at it that way. You got the, alright, like I said, the Cobalt stuff is on sale for $179. But they got this clearance one for $103. Down from $129. That is the reciprocating saw. And then these are the sales that I think they're overlapping the sales right now. If you guys are head on and try it out, you guys might be able to overlap it because apparently everything's like going into the 19 and going out of the 19. This one's $52.98, and then they got if you guys are interested in the 18 volt line, this is $199. Was $279. It's an 18 gauge brand nailer. It does include a 2 amp hour battery charger and a bag. So that's a really good deal for that kit. Guys, they got new lower prices on these boxes, guys. And I think it has to do with the holidays. All the other stuff is moving in. I do apologize for the picture, but it is down to $129 from $149. The medium box is down to $74, and then the smaller box is down to $64. I don't know, guys. I think we might see a lower price. In other stores, I heard that other stores, and you guys probably looked at my videos that are doing the buy one get one free. I think Lowe's is going to be doing the same thing. So keep an eye out. Make sure you guys stay tuned to this channel and subscribe so you guys won't miss any of the deals that are coming up. And then they got new lower price on this one, $299. It does come with a brand new battery, that that stacked lithium stacked battery, $299, same as that one. Get the buy more save more from the stack pack. Remember, guys, I told you it was $219. Well, it qualifies for the $50. So I don't know if you guys are able to stack that and get another $50 on top of the $219. So that'll be a killer deal. And then you got the save more, the buy more save more for the Bosch. You spend $450, save $150. Spend $449. You got the brushless SDS on clearance for $107. This one's a killer deal, guys. I ended up picking this one up. It's the right angle adapter with a 30-piece drive bit set for $13, down from $24. Killer deal on this one. I actually had to dig up through all this mess and I found it. So ended up getting it. So we got some bits there for the channel, so we can do some testing for you guys. And then we still got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the kits on the left and get a free two on the right. And you guys know that I think this one's a better deal with the two batteries. But check this out. This is the Cobalt, the new deal that they got going on. They got the buy one get one free. So it's one battery, get a free battery two. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a lower price. Same thing with these. These are save 40% when you buy three. I can't talk to this for some reason. So $19.98 and $24.98 for the hammers. These are really nice hammers. They're all wood, and then you got a rubber handle there. So that's very interesting, the design that they made of these. They do have the magnetic tip there for the nail starter. And then 106 P's there, Tic Tac case there, some 1-inch bits, nut drivers there, some more 1-inch bits at the bottom. And then you got some spade bits, some drilling bits, and looks like some 3-inch bits there on the top. A bit holder there. $149 for this the starter kit. This is the one, buy one get one free on that one. You get a free tool, and then this is a killer deal on these. So check these out. $34.97 down from $49, including the 12-inch DeWalt blade. You got the sawhorses. These are new. Actually I haven't seen them this year. This is like a new deal they got going on. So this is $39.98 from the Cobalt sawhorses. They got this on clearance, the mechanics tool set 257 P's for $48. And that one was already sold out. Then they got this one down to $119. They got this one down to $149 to 121 P's. And if you guys like the color gray, then this is yours. $229 for that one. And then $89 on clearance was $109. They got these, the Tough Build folding utility knife. And that's what it looks like. Pretty much like the fastback style subcompact folding knife from the Tough Build. Looks pretty nice. And then you got the Pry Bar utility knife with storage. So different deals on those. $19.98 down from $23.98 for the 8-piece. Really nice set, and rubber grips. And then you got the stubbies there. $59.98 down from $69.98. This is a 88-piece mechanics tool set made in the USA. So I don't know why they lower the price on these. They're not selling that well. So $59 on those. This one's down to $44.98, 59-piece. And then yes, guys, these are the new deals. The buy more, save more. These are from the Cobalts. You spend $400, save $100. Killer deal on that one, guys. You're paying $300 for a $400 tool or a $400 bunch of tools. $300, save $60. So yes, guys, lots of good deals on these. Like that nail gun, just add $50 more, and you're pretty much on the $60 mark there. But lots of good deals on these. These are solid tools, definitely pro level tools, especially that nailer. That nailer is pretty nice. And circular saw, all those. So $14.98 down from $19. This is a 15-inch tool bag. And then you got a smaller tool bag here. Well, this is a 12-inch down to $9.98. So you guys need tool bags. There you go. Stock up on these. Make a tool bag for plumbing and electrician and all that stuff for the house. You got some stands here, sawhorses with clamps, $99 down from $139. From Pony's, pretty nice stands. And then the clearance, $244 for this table saw. Pretty good deal on those. And then you got the Colt compact router from Bosch. And then you got some more safety equipment here on clearance. And then you got some safety vests there. I'm just not going to go over all these, but I'll just show you guys the general look of it. And guys, I believe, yeah, and then you got some safety glasses here, the crossfires. These are pretty nice. Down to $17.57, down from $21. And then you got some flashlights here, $24 and $22 for the Energizer. And with all our new deals dropping, these are going to drop because they're trying to get them out the door. And it was $29. So save yourself quite a few much money there. Then you got the Clean and Shine detailing kit for $39, down from $50. Then you got the Armor All for $23, down from $29. That's a pretty good deal on that one. So, guys, that's it for today. I'm not gonna go over the vacuum, so just showing you guys in case you guys are interested. But that's it for today. Make sure you guys stay tuned, guys. Sometimes I'm uploading every day, sometimes twice a day. Make sure you guys stay tuned, stay subscribed, hit the like, hit the bell icon so you guys won't miss any of these Black Friday deals that are coming up, any of the holiday deals, because they do sell out. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good one.